right inside the curtain.
Seriously, if you guys don't have any money, just walk up,
Shake our hands.
say excellent job. If you guys have money,
And you try to leave, remember, black guys run fast. Don't do it.
if you guys donate $20,
Thank you. We love you.
even if you donate $10,
Thank you. We love you.
even if it's your last $5,
Thank you. We love you.
if you guys don't have $5,
You should get a job, people.
people, keep it in mind, this is how we make an honest living. Obama wants change.
We want dollars.
So at the end of the show, we want everyone to walk up.